I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Now, I've been all over the frickin' world, and I've talked to scientists all over the world, and I've researched global warming extensively. More than these news people talk about and all these other people talk about. And I've met the scientists that really drilled the core samples in the ice to test the ice back thousands and millions of years old, determining the amount of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, pollution, oxygen, everything else in the air. And they're going to give you a million different answers. The big oil companies are going to say one thing, and the people that create pesticides are going to say another, and the people that build more buildings are going to say another, and the people that believe in the greenhouse gases are going to say another. I mean, you're going to hear a million different answers about global warming, and I'm going to give you the real answer. And this is it. If you want to listen or not, that's up to you, but it's one simple answer. And the answer is overpopulation. Are they telling you that? See, overpopulation is the reason our natural resources are getting diminished, and the reason that it's getting polluted and the world's becoming more polluted. I mean, if you take 10 people and you have them dump nuclear waste in the water, it's probably not going to cause the world that much of a problem. But when you have 50 million people doing it, it'll cause a problem. If I get a half-gallon of antifreeze or pesticide or oil or whatever, and I dump it in the water over here, and just me and 20 people are doing it, that's not a problem. But when millions of people in the world all over are doing it, it is a problem. So it is overpopulation. And, you know, they're making money off you. You're just another person to pay taxes or be their slave or whatever. So they're not going to tell you about it. But for the species to survive, for the planet to survive, they need to deal with the overpopulation problem. And the governments need to take control. I mean, someone's got to, you know, and say, look, you know, you get one kid and that's it. You know, we're already taxing all the natural resources as it is. You know, you get one child, you know, and maybe if your child dies, you get a chance for another one, but that's it. You know, and that is the main reason for all the pollution in the world and the continued pollution and the extinction. They talk about all the extinctions of all the species. Well, maybe we're eating them all. Maybe we're polluting them all, and maybe that's why they're getting extinct. Maybe we're cutting down the rainforest because we need a few more houses for our overpopulated world. You know, and I'm not going to commit suicide just to help out this solar planet. You know, that's not my job, and it's too late for me to do that anyways, and I've tried that and it doesn't work. So what you need to do is you need to get the governments together and realize that this is the real problem, is the overpopulation. That's the bottom line. You know, they'll tell you a million different reasons and they'll blame a million different people about a million different things, but it's overpopulation. Let me repeat that again. Overpopulation. Got it? That is the reason why our Earth is getting polluted and our natural resources are diminishing and species are becoming extinct, and you and me will become extinct too. Except for the cockroaches, they're pretty tough. The cockroaches will survive.